Hey guys, Spartan Overland again, Daisy. Some of our goodies came in, so I'm super excited. One of the less exciting but completely necessary is I got some all-weather mats. So we'll do the front and the back protector from all the mud and dirt that we hope to get into. And those are from, they're Husky liners, great price, I got them on Amazon. And then we also got the Maxxhaul roof rack. And let's see, it's 150-pound capacity, but let's be honest, I'm not going to be putting a lot up there. So my roof rack. Again, I ordered this from Amazon. I'll probably make Jesse put the links so you guys can check that out. Got our instructions. Probably not going to look at those. Okay, so not too many pieces. I can handle this. There we go. Okay, so we got all our stuff out here. We've got all the hardware we need for mounting, the screws for connecting the rack, the three pieces of the rack together. It also came with these rubber gaskets, which you will grease up and put over the seams between each connecting part to make sure you keep the moisture out so you don't have any rust issues. All right, so we're gonna grease these bad boys up. Let me go ahead and get the other side, and then we can put it together and tighten it up. You gotta line all four of these guys up all at one time, or it won't go on very well. So you're just gonna repeat those steps 4 times and you'll be ready to go. We had to go ahead and get our crossbars just because mine didn't come equipped with any already. Super simple, we just ordered a basic set off of Amazon. So now we're gonna throw this guy up here and it's gonna be great. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we've got all these different parts here. You're gonna snap this guy in the bottom, like that. And then when we get it up there, this will go over, the crossbar will be under here, and this will hug it, right? So crossbar will be here, and then these guys will go on top, and we got some little rubber caps to put in the very top to keep water out. Overall, it was super easy to install. We had to adjust it a little bit. I would recommend if you do it, measure left and right in the front and left and right in the back, because they're going to be slightly different since they taper at a V angle. But overall, the roof rack itself, I'm really pleased. It's a great price point, and I think it's going to do exactly what I want it to do. So I'm very happy, and she looks awesome.